Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I wanted to create this video to share how I use Black Friday. Now the typical thing to do is to just see all the sales, go through them without a plan, and just purchase random things, and likely things that you don't need, right? You ever seen those video clips of people running into Walmart all freaking out over a toaster? That's not what we're going for here. So what do I mean when I use Black Friday to your benefit? Well, being in marketing and sales, pretty much every company out there is going to be running a Black Friday deal, Black Friday sale. In fact, it's so popular that the sales usually run way before the actual Black Friday day, because these companies know that this is the biggest time of the year. This is when they can get a huge chunk of sales literally in one day and on the week. So instead of buying random things that you literally do not need and it's just kind of like shiny object syndrome, you're like, oh, that would be nice to have, come to it with a game plan. So I use Black Friday to purchase items that I already purchase on a continuous basis, or it's services that I use locally here where I live in Vancouver. So what I've done is I pull up my notes app on my phone, and before Black Friday, you don't want to do this on the actual day because it's just going to be pandemonium. You're going to be getting emails from every which direction. There's going to be posts on social media everywhere. So you're going to want to do this before the actual Black Friday happens. And what I've done here is I've pulled up a list here, and I made kind of like a checkbox thing, and I called it Black Friday purchases. Now this doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to purchase everything on this list. It just means that I am eyeing these things to see if they are on sale, if they're going to have a Black Friday sale. If they're not having a Black Friday sale, I'm not going to purchase it because, again, I want to use Black Friday to my benefit. So some things here that I have listed, for example, I've got here some protein powders and some supplements. Why? Because I purchase those things on a continuous basis. So if there's going to be a deal on them, then yeah, I want to take advantage of that because I'm already going to be having to buy that. Another thing is GoPros, and I have GoPro cameras. Now I don't buy a new GoPro every Black Friday, but every couple of years, if my GoPro gets outdated or I need a new one, in this case, I'm eyeing the GoPro 360 camera because my previous GoPro camera, which I had for about maybe 5 years or so, that one recently just died. It just was done. The salt water in Bermuda got to it, and it's no longer usable. If it was still usable, I would not be buying a new GoPro 360 camera. So I'm eyeing that right now. And I do know for a fact that GoPro runs really good Black Friday deals, so I'm likely going to be buying this new GoPro 360 camera. And I purposely waited to get it on Black Friday because of the bonuses and the deals. They usually have a good amount, like a dollar amount off, and they usually add in like an extra battery or a charger for the battery, which definitely sweetens the Black Friday deal. And to be honest, I'm looking on this list and it's all like either cameras, protein powders, supplements, some other health stuff, books. Oh, and another thing is, let's say you get services locally, like let's say a haircut or at like a salon, or you get your nails done. You want to have those websites, those companies on here, and you want to look to see if they're going to be offering a Black Friday promotion. So I'm eyeing a couple of companies here in Vancouver that do the hot and cold therapy, where you do like the cold plunges and the hot saunas and stuff. I'm really into that kind of stuff right now. So I'm eyeing a couple of companies here in Vancouver to see if they're going to offer any Black Friday promotions on that. I already know that I want to get the service, and so if they're offering a promo, you might as well take advantage of it. What I'm not doing is going to, let's say, an Amazon site, clicking Black Friday deals, and then seeing the wide range of products that are on there and just getting lost and potentially start purchasing random things that I don't actually need. I'm in this phase of my life where, I want to purchase things that I actually want and that I actually need. Not just, oh, it looks good in the moment, let me just purchase that, or it's on sale, but I don't actually need it. And so my advice to you is don't get caught up in the sales hurricane that tends to happen on Black Friday. Be really strategic and think about things that you purchase on a consistent basis, foods, snacks, shampoos, things like that you already are going to be purchasing. All right, so that's my advice. That's my spiel. Make a list, do your research, think about things that you are already purchasing, that you already want, that you already have your eye on, things that you actually need. Write it down, have a game plan, check out the sites, have the sites ready, and take advantage of the amazing Black Friday deals. Put in the comments down below what you are going to be purchasing this Black Friday. If you thought this video was cool, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.